alone in an open space, looking around for a human trace. Along the edge of this satellite, losing the route in this empty sky. I'm prey of the ghosts of this galaxy, losing myself in this ecstasy. No clock is turning to sign the time. Everything's flowing through day and night. No noise is breaking my silent star. I'm on the run, I can go so far, flying in absence of gravity, feeling the vibe of eternity. This is the lesson I had to learn. This is the treasure I had to earn. I am the owner of nowhere land, queen of a castle that's made of sand, staring in front of the universe. Maybe someday I'll meet someone else. I'm sure I'll do it, but till that day, here on my side, I am just a castaway.